morning, everyone. It is Sunday, and Colin and I are just about to make some coffee, and then I think we're gonna go and pick up a treat or something, a croissant or something from the bakery, and then go for a little drive. It's not that nice outside. We were thinking about going to the beach, but I think we'll just do a drive instead, and then just enjoy the day.
We went to a bakery called Mousy Bakery. If you live in Victoria, it's in the kind of West Sandwich area, and it is so good. Colin was filming this for me, and I thought it was so cute. He took like a lot of time to just go through like each little section of the baked goods. So here you guys have a full view of the bakery items. I am obsessed with chocolate croissants, so we got a couple of those, and they were so good. Clearly Colin agrees. So we just parked down at the beach, and then we just spent some time, ate our croissants. Here's our view. The sun is coming out a little bit, so we decided to go for a bit of a walk. We are pretty much out of groceries, so I need to stop at a grocery store anyways, but we're also gonna pick up some food so that we can make dinner tonight. So we're just gonna run to the grocery store quickly and pick up a few things. We just got back from the grocery store, and I thought I would do a really quick grocery haul for you guys. So I got a couple of bubblies, the new peach one and new pineapple one, both really good. Bananas, whipping cream for coffee, plain yogurt, black olives for dinner, artichoke hearts for dinner, some salsa, a lemon for dinner, a red pepper, blueberries to go with the yogurt, some whole grain bread, basil for tonight's dinner, some peppermint tea, eggs, a few organic coffees. I always just get a medium roast of whatever's on sale, and we like this one, the kicking horse one, so I got 3 different types. Some cheddar cheese, cucumber, linguine for tonight's dinner, some brie cheese for snacking on, butter, a big bag of carrots, some baby arugula. I may or may not put this in dinner tonight, I haven't decided. Some whole grain wraps for breakfast wraps, extra virgin olive oil. I go through a lot of this stuff. A couple of non-dairy milks, so I like oat milk and cashew milk. And then a couple of multigrain crackers. That's it. And now I'm just spending some time doing a quick workout. This is how I do most of my workouts. They're like 15, maybe 20-minute workouts, and I put on a show that I like so that the time goes by quickly and I'm kind of entertained. And I find this way I actually enjoy the workout, and I can do it consistently. Like I do workouts like this probably 4 or 5 times a week, easily. I mostly like to concentrate on abs and glutes, but I also like a full body workout like doing planks or plank variations and squats, things like that. On Sundays, I pretty much always spend like at least 30 minutes just planning out my week. I feel like I've gone through phases of this in the past where like sometimes I'll use a planner and sometimes I won't. Sometimes I'll just like schedule things in on my phone, or I'll do like sticky notes. I love a sticky note system, but I started this January 1st this year, like of 2021. And I do find the planner has been so good for me. Like I do have pretty busy weeks right now. And so scheduling in everything that I'm gonna do every day. I do a combination of like scheduling out my week at the beginning of the week, and then also putting notes in my phone. I use an app called Things. So I use that app as more of like a daily planner. So I'll write down like when basically like everything, like when I'm having breakfast, when I'm answering emails, when I'm posting on Instagram, when I'm editing, when I'm getting ready, when I'm having lunch, when I'm making lesson plans for dance, like literally everything I'll slot in there so that my days and my weeks will stay really organized. So honestly, I'm feeling a little bit tired right now, but I'm just going to put a show on in the background. I've been watching Ginny and Georgia on Netflix. If you guys have seen it, let me know. I'm absolutely obsessed. I think it's so cute and authentic. She just seems so like realistic, and I love how they address like so many legitimate problems and like issues that teenagers go through, or I mean adults go through as well. It's so cute. I love it. So I'm gonna spend the next 30 minutes here planning this out and then putting that show on in the background. I'll insert a picture of the Things app here, so you can see this is what kind of a daily schedule would look like for me. So I even schedule in things like my coffee and my breakfast in the morning, and when I need to do emails and editing videos and going for walks, doing workouts, doing my lesson plans for dance. Like everything is scheduled out, and it keeps me so much more organized and productive.
It's about 6:30 and we're just about to make dinner. We're gonna make a kind of Mediterranean pasta with some sun-dried tomatoes, olives, basil, all that fun stuff. So nice and simple. It should take like 15 minutes maybe to prep, and I think it'll be very tasty. So I've turned on the water so that it will boil to make the pasta. And I'm just gonna chop some of the basil and then the sun-dried tomatoes and the artichoke hearts as well.
I always salt my pasta water and then put some olive oil in it as well. After boiling the linguine for about 10 minutes, it's all ready. We're putting the pasta back into the same pot and using that to just stir everything in. So for the dressing, we're using lots of olive oil and then the juice of 1 lemon. And then some salt and pepper for flavor. Colin's lighting some candles to set the mood. And now we're just going to enjoy our dinner and our wine. This will also make for great leftovers for the rest of the week.
Colin and I are just gonna relax now and watch a movie and just kind of wind down. I'm gonna end this vlog here. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I will see you next time.